Uh, Hi guys, so we're looking at algebra and we're solving for x, or we are expanding. My name is Sipo. You can follow us on YouTube. You can also follow our website. Okay, so here we're looking at algebra, we're solving for x or expanding. So we have our first example here where we have x minus 13x is equal to 3x minus 6. So what we can do here, we need to group the like terms. So obviously if you're looking at x minus 13x, that can be minus 12x is equal to 3x minus 6. But you can see we still have our 3x this side, so we're taking the 3x to the other side, and if we're taking 3x to the other side, it will change the sign. So now we will have the sign, we have minus 12x minus 3x is equal to minus 6. So that is that, therefore, and then we have minus 12x minus 3, that should give us minus 15x is equal to minus 6. So we can always carry on from this side. So we left from minus 15x is equal to minus 6, but we want to solve for x. So what we can do, we can divide by minus 15, just by minus 15, and we divide by minus 15 this side as well. So this minus 15 and this minus 15 will cancel. So you see we have a negative here, we have a negative here, so we just left with x from this side is equal to 6 over 15. So that is how we do it if you're looking at solving for x. So let's look at our second example. If you're looking at our second example, so here we need to do some of expanding. So what can we do here? Because we have 2x, plus 3 is equal to 16. So we're expanding, so we're multiplying out. So we'll have, because of this bracket here, we have to multiply negative with a positive 2x, that gives us minus 2x, and we also multiply negative with negative 5, so that gives us a plus 5, because we're multiplying, or we're removing the bracket. But while removing the bracket, remember we have a negative here, so that's why we have to multiply that negative with the first term inside the bracket and with the second term inside the bracket as well. So if you're looking at this now, you can easily look at 2x. You can say you have 2x, you can take because you have 2x this side and you also have minus 2x this side, so when you're taking the minus 2x to the other side, it will change the sign, hence you will have plus 2x is equal to, so this side we have 16, of which is this, but here we had 3, positive 3. If you're taking the positive 3 to the other side of the equal side, it will become negative, so we have minus 3. So we're done. We have this term 2x, which is this one. We took the minus 2x to the other side and we're getting this one. So now we're taking all the numbers to the right hand side of the equal sign. That's why we have 16 minus 3 plus 15, plus 5, of which is still the number. So now clearly you can see we have 4x, because 2x plus 2x is equal to 4x. So this is nothing but equal to, so looking at 16 minus 3, that will be 13. So 16 minus 3, it will give us 13, and 13 plus 5, so we will have 13 plus 5. Carrying on from this side, because of space, that therefore we have 4x is equal to 13 plus 5 is 18. So we have 18, but we're looking for x, hence we have to divide by 4. We have to divide by 4, and this 4 will go away, so we just left with x is equal to 18 all over 4. But also you can look at the number that is a common factor of this one. You can say 2 or 18. 2 goes 9 times to 18, so it will be 9 over 2. That will be our final answer. Okay, let's look at the following example. Now we're looking at example 3. We also have to deal with some expansion here, because now we're left with we have 5. You can just use that therefore here, that therefore 5x minus 6x. Remember, because we have to expand, so this is minus 6, so minus 6 we have to multiply minus 6 with x, and we have also to multiply minus 6 with negative 5. Hence minus 6 times x is minus 6x. Minus 6 times minus 5, that should give us a plus 30, because it's minus times minus, so minus 6 times minus 5, that gives us positive 30. Also you can look at this right hand side here, and then we're doing the same thing. When you're expanding, you multiply this with the first term, you multiply 2 with the first term, of which is x. You also multiply 2 with the second term, of which is 5. So we'll be getting 2x plus 10. We're doing the same thing here, we're expanding, so we will be getting plus 5x minus 20. So minus 20. Let's take every numbers, or let's take all the terms that are with x to the right hand side. So we're using the word so we're looking at the terms that are common. So we have 2x plus 5x this side, but this side we have 5 minus 6x. So if you take it to the other side, it will become minus 5x plus 6x. So we're taking everything that has x to the right hand side, we're taking all the numbers, we're keeping all the numbers to the left hand side. On this left hand side we have 30, so here we can say we have 30, and then we're taking 20 to the other side, because we also have 10, so we can say minus 10, because we're taking 10 to the other side, so it will become negative. And we also have plus 20, because 20 is negative this side, so if you're taking it to the other side, it becomes positive. Hence, we're using the same thing, we have to use space here because we're running out of space. That therefore, so you have 30 minus 10, that is 20, plus 20, that would be 40. So you have 40 on the left hand side of the equal sign, equal to, so here you see you have 5x minus 5x, 5x minus 5x, obviously that would cancel it out, so we'll be left with 2x plus 6x, that is nothing plus but 8x. So that therefore you divide by 8 and you divide by 8, then you get your answer. So I think in this case your answer should be 5 is equal to x. 5 is equal to x. You can check it using your calculator. So that is how we do it. I got some exercise for you, then you can go through it. Maybe you can just take a screenshot to check out our exercise here. So this is our exercise. You can look at it, and also feel free, you can request a PDF format where you can get all these exercises and you can work through it. Thank you so much guys for watching my lesson.